What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you, man. Today is going to be an awesome day. We are going to be doing an install on a Freedom Shields windshield for the 2019 Road Glide Special. So I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how it came packaged, even though I've already opened it because I was super excited because there's more to it than just a windshield. So let's get to it. All right, so like I said, I already opened it because I was super stoked about it getting here, man. And when it comes in, it's gonna be in a pound of peanuts, right, packed down inside of it. I ended up getting the 13-inch dark gray Touring windscreen. So they have a Sport, which is more narrow, and the Touring is going to be wider than your Sport, right? It's supposed to give you more protection around your passenger as well. In the package, they also send you, or in the box, they also send you a thank you. It's got your receipt in there. But the cool thing about this is, man, like I said, I don't know if you've ever seen Freedom Shields or anything, know anything about Freedom Shields, but they always give you the opportunity to test ride with the windshield before you keep it. This plastic that's on here, if you leave all this plastic on, just take off where you got to put the bolts in, mount it to the bike. You can actually ride with it, so you can make sure it's going to be what you need and make sure that it's going to work for you. And if it doesn't, as long as it's the same way that you got it, it's not damaged, you can send it back and they'll take it back from you. So that's amazing. I don't know any other companies that do that, right? So as far, especially for a windscreen. But like I mentioned, this one's a little more special for myself than just your standard windscreen. Right now I've got a windscreen on there now, which is the Memphis Shades windscreen, 6.5 inch, I believe is what it is. This here is top notch. Freedom Shields gives an amazing product. They put an amazing product out. Thickness of these screens are just insane. So there's no, it's just, they're built very well. So let me get to the important thing that I'm super stoked about. So not only do they make windscreens, but they can also do custom laser engraving. So check this out. So I got with Mr. John, man. Mr. John has been an amazing help, and I had them engrave my logo on it. So like I said, I'm super stoked about the whole laser engraving, man. I think this would be an amazing idea for anybody that purchases one, or if you're looking to purchase one for somebody else. Anybody that has any kind of logo, all your military branches, I think it would be dope. I think anything is possible whenever it comes to laser engraving on the windscreens that they can do for you, man. So give him a call, message him, email him. Like I said, Mr. John's amazing. He always replies to you. So if you got any questions about anything, just give them a shout. freedomshields.net. They'll answer any questions you have about any of their windscreens. All right, so on the back side, you got your mounting instructions, right? Which on a Road Glide is super simple. And then it's got windshield care back here as well. So what we're gonna do is we'll go ahead and mount it up. To take this one off, even your stock windshield, you're gonna have 4 screws. We'll pop this one straight up, take it off, put the new one on, and then we'll show you what it looks like after it's mounted. Super simple install, man. So let's get to it. Thing, like I said, the laser engraving, man, they actually sent me a video of it being laser engraved before they actually shape it. So this is it starts out flat, they laser engrave it, and then they shape it up. So let me go ahead and roll that footage for you, so you can see exactly how they do this, man. It's super cool. So we'll be back with you in just a second.
Make all the demons quiet, yeah, we were.
Alright, young folk, I hope y'all enjoyed that, man. Again, I appreciate them sending that to me. So the logo, if you're wondering, man, the logo is about 7 inches wide, and it puts it about 3 inches tall, huh? 3.5 inches tall. So I think it came out perfect. It looks so dope. The cool thing is they gave me a discount code for you guys. So if you go and you look into the windscreens and you want to get something like this or their Sport style, you can use KNUCKLESTV, all one word, at checkout, and you'll get 10% off, man. So that's legit. I appreciate them doing that for y'all. So make sure y'all go check them out, man. Check them out. Let them know Knuckles sent you so they know that you saw the video. Like I said, if you got any questions on some laser engraving stuff, get with them. They'll have answers for you. All right, before I sign out here, I just want to let y'all know I just took it on a test drive. And the only thing is, with the Turin edition, Turin style windshield, I have these guards, hand guards on here. It will hit the windshield. When you go into full lock, it's gonna hit the windshield. So if you don't have these, pretty sure you won't have any issues there. If you do have these hand guards, you may hit right here on the sides when you go into full lock on the Turin style windshield. The Sport, you won't have that issue because it comes in a lot tighter. So just wanted to let y'all know that, since I did take it for a little ride and I found that out. So until next install or next review, we'll catch you on the next one. Much love, much respect. Knuckles out. See you.